Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to back up your Viber photos and videos. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, look at the bottom of your screen and tap on More. This will open up a menu with various options for managing your Viber account and settings. From there, tap on Settings. This is where you can access all the main configuration options for your Viber app, including backup features, privacy controls, and account management. Now tap on Account. This section contains all your account-related settings and is where you'll find the backup options for your messages, media, and other important data. Then tap on Viber Backup. This is the dedicated backup feature that allows you to save all your important conversations and media files, ensuring you don't lose anything if you switch devices or need to reinstall the app. Now you can see Include Photos and Include Videos. These two options give you control over what types of media you want to include in your backup. By default, they might not be enabled, so you'll need to turn them on manually to ensure all your visual content is saved. Tap both of them and they will become checked. Once you see the check marks appear next to each option, you'll know that both your photos and videos will be included in the backup. This is important because without enabling these options, only your text messages would be backed up and you'd risk losing all your precious photos and video memories. Now tap Backup Now to start the backup process. The app will begin uploading all your selected content to the cloud. Depending on how many photos and videos you have, this might take a few moments, so just let it run in the background. Make sure you have a stable internet connection during this process to avoid any interruptions. And that's it. You've successfully configured your Viber backup to include both photos and videos, and your media is now being saved securely. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.